Temperatures were sunny. Northwest at 14, 43 degrees, 2.29, and the relative humidity 57%. The wind was west at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour. Temperature 49. New Bedford, sunny. Elsewhere around 51. In western Massachusetts, in Pittsfield, cloudy. Temperature 38. Wind west at 20, gusting to 36. Weather radio tone and scene alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. This has been a test of the NWR radio tone and scene alert system. On Wednesday, specialty programs receivers are alerted for specific warnings, warnings, and advisories. This concludes this test of the severe weather radio and scene alert systems. Or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NWR radio and scene alert systems. Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the Worcester area. In Worcester, it was sunny.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, we're already going.
This is alarm systems. And signals you will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. With this and alarm features will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday in the region, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency.
Alright, I guess Gray decided to go way earlier. That was WXG40 and WNG 575. See, that's the signal on channel 1, and it's still activated, and the signal was much better on channel 2, and it didn't go off for that, but whatever.